The Smart Diagnosis feature was created to give you more control and flexibility should you run into any problems with your LG appliance. It has the capability of transmitting data from your washer or dryer to specialists who can quickly analyze and solve the issue from the service center instead of physically arriving to your home for maintenance, ultimately saving you time and money. In this short video, we will give you an overview of the Smart Diagnosis option on your LG washer and dryer. SDS can be used through the LG Service Center via telephone or through the LG Smart Diagnosis smartphone application. To use Smart Diagnosis through your smartphone, start by downloading the Smart Diagnosis app onto your phone. Step-by-step instructions along with an on-screen overview will be provided when you open the application. When you utilize the Smart Diagnosis through the call center, turn on your washer or dryer by pressing the power button. Smart Diagnosis cannot be activated if your appliance does not power up. Do not press any buttons or turn the cycle selector knob. Next, when instructed by the call center agent, place the mouthpiece of your phone close to the power button. Press and hold the relevant Smart Diagnosis button. For the washer, press the Wash Temp button, and for the dryer, press the Temp Control button. Hold for 3 seconds until a countdown from 17 seconds shows on the control panel, followed by a tone. Release the Wash Temp or Temp Control button and wait until the countdown is over. The display panel will show End and your appliance will turn off. The SDS process has then been completed. Resume your conversation with your specialist, who will then be able to better assist you with the transmitted information. For best results, do not move the phone while the tones are being transmitted. If the call center agent is not able to get an accurate recording of the data, you may be asked to try again. A home telephone may work better than a cell phone for better SDS communication performance and better service. Thank you for watching our LG customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.